In front of me is Vivo Y16, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Vivo smartphone. First of all, you need to open Calendar app and tap on the month above. Then pick a date that you wish to set up by clicking on it. After that, you can tap over here twice to create your event, or tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner instead and choose event from the list. Either way, now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add the title. You can also select starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, disable this feature completely by tapping on this switcher next to all day. You can also pick one of those sections or even change your email address if you have to or free. Then click on Does Not Repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. If you don't, tap on Does Not Repeat. You can also select Custom instead and adjust it however you want to. Then click on Done. Now scroll down, add people, videos, and even choose Add Location. Then click on one of those options while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. Now you can set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. I will go with 2 days before and save my changes by tapping on Done. Lastly, change color of it. Take some notes, add attachments, and finally save it by clicking on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always make some changes by tapping on it and clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now change wherever you wish to. If you wish to discard your changes, click on this X at the top left corner and click on Discard. But you can also save them by tapping on Save at the top right one. Then select one of those options and click on Save again. If you wish to delete your event though, click on it, tap on those 3 dots instead, choose Delete from the list and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!